Hello and welcome to How to Play Linger Longer, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Linger Longer. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 4 to 6 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. Each player is dealt the amount of cards equal to the amount of players in the game. For this 5-player game, each player is dealt 5 cards. The cards are dealt one at a time, and the last card dealt to the dealer is flipped face up. The suit of this card is the trump suit for the game. Diamonds will be trump for this game. The remaining deck is placed into the middle. The object of the game is to be the last player in the game with cards. Linger Longer is a trick-taking game where each player will play a card into the middle to form a trick. The player who plays the highest-ranking trump-suited card wins the trick. If no trump-suited card was played, the player with the highest-ranking card in the suit that was led wins the trick. The cards are ranked with aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer will play the first card to start the first trick. Player 2 leads the ace of hearts. Play moves to the next player. Players must play a card in the same suit that was led whenever possible. Player 3 follows suit by playing the 4 of hearts. Player 4 plays next with the 2 of hearts. Player 5 follows suit with the jack of hearts, and player 1 follows suit with the king of hearts. Player 2 wins the trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. The player that wins the trick gets to draw a card from the deck. Also, the player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Player 2 leads the king of spades this time. Play moves left to player 3. Player 3 does not have a spade to follow suit. If a player cannot follow suit, they can play any card. Player 3 plays the trump-suited 3 of diamonds. Player 4 and player 5 follow the lead suit by playing spades. Player 1 does not have a spade and plays the trump-suited 5 of diamonds. Player 1 wins this trick with the highest-ranking trump-suited card. Player 1 will draw a card from the deck and leads to the next trick. Players continue to play tricks. Once a player is out of cards, they are out of the game. Here, player 4 leads the trump-suited king of diamonds. All players play to the trick, and player 4 wins the trick with the highest-ranking trump-suited card. Player 5 is out of cards now and is out of the game. The last player with cards will win the game. Player 4 draws a card and leads to the next trick. No other player is able to follow suit or play a trump-suited card. Player 4 wins this trick with the highest-ranking card in the lead suit. All other players are out of cards and player 4 wins the game. That wraps up How to Play Linger Longer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.